In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to make money on ClickBank in 2022 with free traffic. Nobody on YouTube has ever done this method before. This is completely new and it's 100% working. Now guys, I'm going to show you exactly what type of landing pages the very top 1% successful affiliates on ClickBank are using and how you can copy them for yourself and start using them as well and start driving traffic and getting a bunch of commissions and sales every single month. Now this method works from anywhere in the world and you don't have to have any money or experience to start, so I suggest you stay with me till the end of the video because this method is going to absolutely blow your mind. So before we get started, I'm going to give away my CPA Marketing Mastery course to one of you guys that commented on my latest video. So I'm going to grab the link, I'm going to go to YouTube comment picker, paste it inside there, filter duplicate users, and the keyword was giveaway. Right, so let's see who the lucky winner is. So we have 37 comments, so you guys have a pretty good chance to win. So let's see who the lucky winner is. So congratulations, Safwan Khan, you are the lucky winner. I'm gonna pop my email up on screen right now, so make sure to send me an email. I'm gonna give you access as soon as I see it. Now guys, if you also want to be a part of this giveaway in my next video, make sure to follow these 5 steps. Number 1, like this video. Number 2, subscribe. Number 3, share this video on social media with your friends. Number 4, watch this video all the way till the very end because I see everything in my YouTube back office. And number 5, make sure to comment giveaway below this video. Once you follow all these 5 steps, you're automatically going to be enrolled, and in the next video I'm going to choose the lucky winner. Now before I'm going to reveal the strategy, make sure to subscribe if you're new and like this video to support this channel. And now that we have everything out of the way, let's get started right now. So the first thing you want to do guys is go to ClickBank, sign up for a free account and go to the marketplace. And here you want to search for a product that's high converting, that affiliates are promoting and getting sales. So the way you want to do that is just go to the marketplace and search all these offers by Gravity and click on the search button. Here you can see a number and this is the Gravity. This means that a lot of affiliates are making a lot of money with this exact offer. So the higher the Gravity number, the better. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend promoting the top offer sorted by Gravity because a lot of people are already promoting that offer. So we want to find something that's doing good and not a lot of people are promoting. So for example, let's look at this, the Smoothie 21-day diet, right? This has a Gravity of 267 and almost $30 per conversion. So let's check this out. So this is the VSL, this is the video sales letter. This means that this is the sales page with a video, and on this sales page there's a checkout, right? So this is the sales page. Now before we start promoting this exact affiliate offer, we need to create a landing page that's going to give value to our audience, to our traffic. And the secret way to do so is to go to similarweb.com. And this way we can check out and we can spy on websites promoting this exact offer. And we can copy those exact landing pages and use them as our own. So go to similarweb.com and create a free account. Once you have a free account, I'm going to show you what to do next on the inside. Now once you have a free account, all you have to do is go to web research and paste the URL of the VSL right there. Click on it. Now here you can see a bunch of information, statistics about this landing page, about this sales page, excuse me. So it has over 400,000 visits in the last 3 months. Now when you scroll down, you can see a bunch more information. So it's doing pretty well with traffic. It's even trending because it's doing better than last month. So let's scroll down. This is the traffic countries, Brazil, United States. And when you scroll down, you can see referrals. This means top websites sending direct clicks to the selected website. So websites that are promoting this exact VSL sales page. So if we click on this one, for example, right, this is getting about 5% of the traffic in the last 3 months. So this is pretty good. And if you click on preview, you can see the landing page that this website is using to promote the smoothie diet. So smoothie diet weighed before, what consists of the smoothie diet, and so on and so forth. When you click on see more, now here you can see that this website has done a complete review of the smoothie diet, right? They have a video, a bunch of text, so they are recommending the smoothie diet. Now when you scroll down, you can see that they have probably an affiliate link somewhere here, and yes, they do. So click here to see Smoothie Diet's products. And when you click on this link, you can see that we're redirected to the sales page, and this is their affiliate ID. So this is the website, this is the landing page that they are using in order to promote the 21-day smoothie diet. And I'm going to show you exactly how to copy this exact landing page with just one click, use it as your own, and use this landing page to promote this exact same product. So now what you want to do is head over to a new tab and type site.pro. This is a free landing page builder. You can copy websites with just one click. It's completely free, guys. So all you have to do is register for a new account, enter your email, name, and password. If you want to look at the pricing, I mean, yes, they have a starter business plan, but you can get started absolutely for free, and you have unlimited amount of websites with the free package. So you can copy as much websites as you want. So I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you what to do next. So the first thing you want to do is obviously connect a domain. Now, either you have your own domain, you can connect your existing domain, or you can buy a complete new domain. So I'm just going to buy a new domain right now to show you guys how easy it is. So damianblock.site.pro, buy, and I have the option to pay with PayPal, and it's only €1 for 12 months. So this is absolutely, this is basically free. Okay, so I'm going to check out. I'm going to show you what to do next. So now I have successfully checked out. So it's waiting for payment confirmation. This may take a few minutes, but as you can see down here, it is done. So I am ready to go. My domain is ready to go. And I can start creating free websites to promote my product. So click on edit website. And here you can see the templates that you can use for free. I believe that you get up to 20 templates for free. Now you can choose templates and you can start from scratch, or you can import any website online. So this is what I was talking about a few minutes ago. So we're going to go back to this website and we're going to copy it and start using it as our own. So I'm going to copy it, paste it inside there, and click on import. Now I'll be back in a second. I'm just going to wait for this to load. Okay guys, so the page has just finished processing, and I'm going to show you that this is exactly the exact page that we have just copied. So as you can see, it's identical. The Garden of Eating diet, it copied all the text, even the images, and even the video we have down here. So as you can see on screen, the video has been copied as well. Now you obviously want to change up a few things. You want to read through the text just to make sure you're not using this page word for word, because that would be copyright. You want to change it up. You want to add your own feel to it, so it's not copied word for word. Obviously you can see at the bottom of the page copyright 2022 The Garden of Eating diet. So we want to change it up a little bit, but what's the most important thing that we want to do is obviously change the affiliate link so we get the commission when we start promoting this exact landing page. Now we know for a fact that this is a money-making landing page because one of the top referrals for the ClickBank smoothie diet was this exact page, right? So we know for a fact that this page is converting and it's making money. So now it's our turn to use this landing page, change it up, put our own feel to it so it's not copied word for word, but most importantly, we want to change the affiliate links so we get them commissions. So what you want to do is head over to ClickBank and click on promote. I'm gonna add my name right there and tracking ID. Let's just say we're gonna be promoting it on TikTok, so we're gonna add a tracking ID TikTok. Generate, copy it, and now when you go back to site.pro, make sure to copy and paste your affiliate link into the text that's, the call to action. So here is the first call to action. Just click on the text, click on this little chain, and enter your affiliate link in there. Now you want to do this step again for all the text that you see here. So you want to make sure you copy your affiliate link into all of the call to action text on this website. So here's another one. So just highlight it and just go back and paste your affiliate link in there. I'm gonna scroll down and just make sure to check the entire landing page. Another one is in here. Add your affiliate link once again, and you get the idea. Just make sure to add your affiliate link everywhere where the call to action is on this landing page. Now, once you're done editing your landing page, you like how it looks, you're pretty confident that it's going to do well, you can publish it. Now, before you do so, you want to preview it to make sure it's all good. So preview it on desktop just to make sure everything is as it should be. So as you can see, same thing. Okay, so close it. And what you want to do now is click publish. Now, I already published this page a few minutes ago. So when you go back to site.pro, okay, and you go down to your domain, I have added my domain from GoDaddy, my existing domain. And when you do so, it takes like 5 minutes. All you have to do is click on this little icon. And as you can see, laptopincomer.com has been published and is now a smoothie weight loss landing page. So every time somebody comes to this page, reads about the smoothie diet, there's a bunch of value on this page. There's a video. I mean, this is how a landing page should look like. You don't just want to send people to your affiliate link. You genuinely want to give value and teach people something new. And when they find value, when they see that you're trying to help them, they're genuinely going to purchase your product that you're recommending, right? So when you click here to see the Smoothie Diet's products, they're going to be redirected to the sales page, VSL. When they decide to purchase, you're going to make a commission. So this is how affiliate marketing works. It's very, very easy. And now we have a high converting landing page that we know converts for a fact. We can start promoting this on social media and start generating commissions. Now I'm going to show you one more time how to copy a website into site.pro. So I just pasted the name of the affiliate product, so the 21-day smoothie diet program, and let's just look at this first or second review of the product. Okay, so this is another review of the ClickBank product. So all you have to do is copy it, go back to site.pro, okay, and create a new website, add your domain, just link it. Once again, the same step, click on edit website. Okay, let this load, and now we can create a new one. So import, there we go. And once again, we're gonna wait for this to import, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay guys, so the website has finished importing, and as you can see, once again, it's the exact same thing, copied word for word, image by image, and here is the previewed website. So site.pro really does save a lot of your time. You don't have to design a brand new landing page or a review website. You can basically copy any website on the internet, and you can copy high converting websites just like I showed you with SimilarWeb.com. You can research high converting products on ClickBank, then you can paste those websites into SimilarWeb.com, and SimilarWeb.com will show you the top referring websites that are generating the most amount of traffic to those offers. Now, based on those websites, you can copy them, paste them into site.pro, and start change your affiliate links, obviously, and start promoting. Now, let's just say you want to start promoting this landing page that we have created at first, right? So there's many ways on how you can start promoting this exact landing page. Now, I am all about free marketing strategies. Now, I don't really use paid traffic myself. I try to promote all my offers, all my ClickBank offers, all my affiliate offers with free marketing strategies, because that way I make 100% of the profit. All I have to do is promote it consistently. Now, one of my favorite marketing strategies is TikTok. Yes, that's right. TikTok is one of my favorite ways to generate traffic to all of my offers. And as you can see, this is one of my TikTok accounts, my personal one, Damien Bilak, and I have over 6,000 followers with 33,000 likes and I promote a high ticket affiliate offer with this account. And as you can see, I'm getting a bunch of views on each and every video. 3,000 here, 3,000 here, 4,000 here, 6,000 here, 12,000 here, and I even have ones that have like 50,000 views. So TikTok is a very, very good way to generate a lot of traffic to your website. Now, with just a portion of these views, let's just say 3,000 people watch this video, and I have a call to action on each video at the end. So I say something like, click the link in my bio to learn more. And let's just say only 10% of those people click on my link, which is about 300 people per video click on my link. That's a huge amount of traffic that goes to my website, my landing pages, collecting emails, so on and so forth. So that's a lot of traffic that you can generate for yourself. Now, don't get me wrong, you don't even have to show your face. You can even use, let's just say, a fan page. So for a product like this, for the smoothie diet, you want to create a health account on TikTok, showing people how to lose weight. So now with the smoothie diet product, you want to create a health account, a health TikTok account in the health niche. So you can type something like fitness motivation, then click on accounts, and you can go to something like fitness motivation leg day, and this account has videos, images that are not theirs. They have taken these images, videos from Instagram, YouTube, and they're just re-uploading them on TikTok. And as you can see, 23,000 followers, and this video has 150,000 views, this one has 2,000 views. And you can make videos, you can re-upload videos like this, and at the end of each video you can add a call to action to click the link in your bio, and they will be redirected to your landing page, which is going to give them a lot of value, and some people will obviously even purchase. So it's not rocket science. This is very simple marketing, guys, but you really have to take action. It's up to you right now to take action and start putting in work promoting your ClickBank offers. So this is the fastest way to make money on ClickBank in 2022, no doubt. And if you take action, if you consistently post content, re-upload content from YouTube, Instagram, even other TikTok accounts, but make sure to give them credit, I promise you that you're going to see results, you're going to see commissions. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, like this video to support this channel, and also make sure to check out my CPA Marketing Mastery free traffic course. It's the first link below this video. I have a lot of free marketing strategies in there that will definitely help you make more money online. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.